welcome on a new map. So I use create OG Fun Monkey Horror and Yeeps. And we gonna show you how to look like, and when it's cool, don't forget to like and sub. Now first, we got doors. Open it. If you want to get out, you can go right there. And so we go right there, and we go into Bean's hallway right there. And you keep going, and you go down. All of a sudden, you see this. And I die. And welcome meetup. We got OG Fun Monkey Horror meetup and by Foxy Point 315 setting, 140 setting, and we got a song you can play, and we got back to lobby like that, and we got this one. So want to get out again? Go right there. And very cool map. I made this, and so I placed this map, and everyone was having fun. And so yeah. Well, if you want to play this, here. Now you can join. Okay, see ya.